Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to buy Roblox gift cards online. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Click open any web browser, and soon after you do that, type in www.roblox.com and search. Sign into your account if necessary. Since I've already signed in, go to the gift cards option at the left hand side menu of the screen, and from this page you'll be able to buy a gift card for yourself. Simply click on buy a gift card, and on the next tab you'll be able to see a box where you can answer some questions. Select who the gift card is for. If it is for your friends, click on a friend. If it's for yourself, click on for me. If you select for me, you can easily go pick a gift card for yourself. If you're choosing one for your friends, go ahead and type in their name. Now type in your name in the next field. After that, click on pick a gift card. You have two options. You can either send a digital card or send a physical card. Digital cards are sent through emails, whereas physical cards are sent by mail. In order to buy it online, go and click on send a digital card, and on the next page, choose your card from the digital menu. You can select the occasion for your card. You can choose from your favorite characters and much more listed below. Let me click on all occasions and click on how much. Now go ahead and choose the credit that you would like to put on your card. Simply go ahead and choose your amount and then your quantity for your gift card. Let me go and order 2 gift cards for me, and now tap on add a message if you are sending it for a friend. Go ahead and type in your message. After you have typed in your message, go and click on where is it going, and then enter the email of the person that you are trying to send the gift card to. After you're done, go and pick a delivery date. You can pick a date from the calendar, and finally click on add to cart. Here's the preview for your card. Your amount has been mentioned. If you want to edit some details before purchasing the card, go and click on view or edit details. If you want to remove the card, simply click on remove. If you want to add another card, click on add another card and choose a card like you normally do. Now, this is your order summary. You'll be able to see the amount details that you'll need to pay. After you're done going through it, click on checkout. Now on the next page, you'll need to fill in your contact information and your credit card information. Go ahead and type in your email address in the first text field that says your email. Now go to the next tab and type in your phone number. Under credit card information, go ahead and enter your first name displayed on the card. Now type in your last name. Make sure to type in the same name that has been displayed on your card, and after you're done, type in your credit card number. On the next field, select your expiration month and then your year. Type in the security code on the next field, and under billing address, go ahead and choose your country from the drop down. Type in your street address. You can go ahead and type in your apartment or your suite number as well, but since it's an optional, you can skip the step. Now enter the name of your city and select your state. After you're done, you can add a star code as well, but since it's an optional, you can skip this step as well. Now, after everything is done, go and click on place my order. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to order a gift card on Roblox. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.